met this 5% guy who's just my type. Like the way he's speaking.
Well, hello. I know, y'all. Welcome to another weekend vlog. My name is so magnificent, but you can call me Nikki. And thank y'all for tuning in. If you're new here, I'm everything lifestyle, beauty, fashion, travel, wellness, all sprinkled in together. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you like what you see and become one of the honeys. But anyway, guys, this is another vlog in the moving series. And guess what? We're in our new place. We are moved in. And I'm just, basking in it or whatever. And I'm tired. It has been a series of unfortunate events. It has been really, really crazy, guys. Like, when I say really crazy, I just could not document all the things that have happened in the last 24 hours because I am literally that tired. I went to go clean up the old place today and I'm so tired. I didn't give up, but I said I'll just come back and do it tomorrow because I am just that tired, okay? I have some things in the car that I need to get out, but after that, I am plopping on this couch that I couldn't sell because no one bought it, but I believe there was a reason why it hasn't been bought, and I'll tell y'all the reason after a while. But yeah, it's just been a lot, guys. So where do I start? Where do I start? Okay, let's start with moving. Yesterday was the move day, right? Yesterday was move day. Everything was going beautiful. Now, first of all, I was supposed to move at 9 a.m. But the other crew got sick. They got COVID. So they had to use one crew on yesterday. So they had already had somebody at 10 that crew did. And so he just asked me, would you be okay with moving to 2? It might be 2:30, it might be 2:15, but it's gonna be around 2. I was like, yeah. So they came at 2:30 and got started. I'm not gonna lie, they were a little slow. Okay, the last people that moved me I think they may have spent 3 hours moving me. So it took them 2 hours to pack all my stuff. And so I was like, okay, now we're finna go. And usually once you get everything in, unloading is breeze, right? So we thought it was a breeze. When I got over here, where I live pretty much on a mountain now. And where I am, they got stuck on the hill for an hour. They were trying to figure it out and they got stuck. The road, whatever's on the back of the box truck was stuck in the road, in the pavement, and was not allowed them to go up the hill. So they had to have a tow truck to take them off of the hill. And then they had to be at the bottom. It was like, we're going to have to unload. So let's either get another person that charged me $65 an hour, or it was going to just take them like 2 hours to unload because they're going to have to walk the stuff up there. But my mom, I was on the phone with her, had this bright idea of getting a truck and putting this up, loading the truck and bringing it up instead. So she's like, I'm going to come with my SUV so we can start. Come to find out, one of the young men had a truck. And I was like, okay, cool. So I just don't have nobody to go take me to get it. I'm going to go get it. Yeah, come on, let's go. At that point, I was like over it. And I knew like, okay, yeah, we had to drive like 10 or 15 minutes to get it. Not a problem though. Come on, let's go. I'm going to put this thing in sport. And this is exactly what I did. We went over there and we got He got his truck, came back, and then they started. By this time, my mom and the other young man had started loading hers, and he was unloading. She was trying to help, but I told her to sit down. Like, Mom, you don't have to do this. When I came back, I was like, I'm gonna help. So I did, and then I let them handle it after that because I'm paying you at this point. So I had to pay for an extra hour, but it was cool because when we got done, my sister had bought pizza, wings, breadsticks. We all sat down and ate like one big happy family. I don't know these young men from the back of my hand, but they were helping me, and I wanted to make sure they was good. I made sure they had water. I made sure they were good because it was hot outside. It was frustrating and everything. So yeah, I'm happy about that. It's over somewhat. I have to turn the keys in tomorrow and get all of my food out of the refrigerator and clean the refrigerator out, and I have to trash a couple of things, and I promise you we are done. It's nothing else I need to do. Good riddance, goodbye to that place. I had look, moving is a lot, y'all, and I pray that this is my last move in Alabama. I pray that that I'm able to move to my next destination out of state in the next year. I'm claiming it. We will be out of Alabama next year. We will. I'm claiming it. We're getting ready for that right now. So I guess I'm not gonna ask you. Anyway. Yeah, so that's what's been going on the past 24 hours. Why I did not show me packing, because it was stressful. Like, packing is stressful, so I didn't show it. But now I'm in my new place and I have my internet set up. I decided to go with T-Mobile for internet. Get rid of Spectrum. My last day having Spectrum is tomorrow. I'm going to go with YouTube TV for my TV, and yeah, so that's where we're at right now. I'm gonna try my best to get some rest, okay? Because last night I had insomnia. Y'all, I was up ordering stuff off Amazon. I done ordered it and it's going to the old address, child. So I am about to put my drapes up. I'm not gonna put the one. So this has to have drapes, because I'm not saying the sun is not bad flowing into here, but I want to be able to block the sun when I want to block the sun. So I did buy drapes, and I bought a rod to go with this to cover that. So, but the view, y'all can see partial view. The view from my place is freaking stunning. That is downtown Birmingham. Y'all, one day when I'm sitting outside, I'm going to show y'all the view. But it's stunning, y'all. It's crazy. It, like, the camera don't do it no justice. Like, standing out there, and then when it gets cold and those leaves fall off that tree that's blocking the skyscrapers they have here, it's gonna be beautiful, amazing. So I wanted to check in with you guys and have a quick little story time about that. My family has been really supportive, and that has kept me going. My mom, like, really supportive yesterday. My sister been supportive on the past couple of days. She's juggling school, work, and this is her last semester and everything. So yeah, I can say that my family really stepped up. But about the couch is going to be donated to a family member, because I have not sold it, and there had to be a reason why I hadn't sold it. So my mom notified me of a family member that might be in need of a couch. I'm going to let her have the couch, because I didn't want to bring the couch in the first place, and I also didn't want to trash it curb it, none of that, because it's a nice couch. It's just too low for me. It's not high enough for me. For my back, I'm too tall, and it's too deep. Like, not only is it low, it's very deep, and I can't deal with that anymore. So I forgot to do an empty house tour or whatever. I forgot. Life is moving fast, okay? You're gonna get me getting things together. You're gonna get me, getting new furniture and being unpacked at this point, and like doing different parts of my place. Now, I do have video of it being empty, so I really didn't need to do an empty house tour. So I'll do something like just show y'all the place empty. I'm about to apply for graduation, y'all, so that means I'm about to graduate. I know, right? So yeah, it's getting real. So I just need something to hold me over until I move out of state, because I'm going to move out of state. I don't believe I belong in Alabama. I belong in another state. I'm just gonna keep it there. I'm not gonna tell you where until we get closer to time for me to move to that state. So, but I'm moving. We'll see. But yeah, I will come back once I get the drapes, get ready to set up the drapes.
I'm too demanding when they hit a double coat the candy. I'm so high, no landing. Keep it act like they're steady. Rockin' this shit confetti. They all let it go with the telly. They all wanna roll my belly. I got my dogs out on pop it at the reach. I got them coming in, shit look like a blitz. She wanna check me up, she wanna check my feet. I pull up the Maybach, jumping, shaking, check my eyes. I don't know why they don't taste me. I guess I'm doing the bending. I guess I keep my candy. She's super so good when the beach is sandy. I got it in yoga, but it don't be ready.
Diamonds in Margiela, AP Canary Yellow. She deserve a paddock cause she one of the members. When it comes to doggo, money not a problem. Turn me to a killer, I just smashed the model. Tiffany come blue, her pussy good and pink. Chicago in the winter time, I'm ordering minks. The meat selling out arenas, I just work the streets. Copping a brand new castle in the Middle East. My bitch is Indian style when we sit down and eat. I can do this shit one take, but my style ain't free. Don't take hoes on no date, they got pretty feet. I swear, $250,000 on my head, $250,000 on my head. She mopped me down the bitch, I can't feel my leg. I done sniped off your hoe for a crumb of bread. Hoe got rats going out the roof, they bustin' through the ceiling. My new bitch, she the truth, showed me a couple million.
Good morning. It is a new day. It is Sunday, September 1st. It's the first of the month. Wake up, wake up, wake up. So we're getting ready to go to the old place and finish up, cleaning up and getting things out of there. Yeah, I'm about to do that, and I need to get something to eat, and I need to get some more installation packs for my food or whatever. So I'm gonna go back home. That everything will be good. So yeah, that's what we got going on today. I can't wait till this is over and I can relax. Okay, I'm ready to relax. So yeah, I will come back when I get back home. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not bringing this camera with me to show me cleaning up my old place. Let's be real. But I am gonna come back here and I'm gonna unpack some more. So I'll be back when I get home. Hi guys, it's me again. So I'm tired. I'm exhausted. I spent the last time I talked to y'all, it was like 11 o'clock. I spent the majority of the day. It is now nightfall. I've been the majority of the day at the old place, getting everything cleaned up and moved out. I was there until 5 o'clock. It was like almost 5 o'clock. Yeah, it was just about 5 o'clock when I left. I am exhausted. I'm trying to eat some food and I'm going to lay in my bed. I said, I'm just going to lay on a couch here and watch TV. No. I'm going to lay down. I am so tired, guys. Like, moving is the most exhausting thing you can do. And then now I've moved and I have to figure out how to like store things because I don't have the same storage that I had at my last place. I'm having to buy storage things. So that's what we're figuring out now is that yeah, I'm tired, y'all. I'm sitting here eating a salad with smoked turkey in it. The smoked turkey, I like smoked turkey, but this is smoky. It's a little strong for me. I'm getting through it because I need the protein, but it's a little strong. I did figure out that across the street is an Airbnb. Across the street from me, that house is an Airbnb. And because I saw some, people getting ready. I think there's some people still left there, but it was some people getting ready to go out. It's a club here that does a day party called Hush Lounge. And I'm like 99% sure that's where they're going because Hush is literally around the corner. It's literally down the street. So, yep, that's what I got going on. We eat and I'm going to sleep. Tomorrow's Labor Day. So we get to hang out. We get to unpack. You'll see me unpacking the kitchen. And then I'm going to unpack my room, sort of kind of in a way, to where I can get to things. I've checked my computer to see if it hooks up on Wi-Fi, and it does. My computer for work. And then I'm going to also check to see if I got homework. Yeah, let's see if we got homework. This one class is kind of confusing because she posted like an assignment, but she didn't put a due date. So I'm a little confused. The other class, I have something due. No, I have an exam Thursday. I have an exam. So I guess I can study for that as well. So yeah, this is where we are with everything. The next time I move, I'm leaving all this shit here. I'm not even playing. Like, when I move out of state, I'm having the biggest moving sale. Come get all this shit. Come get it all. Come get all this stuff. Please, somebody, anybody, y'all can have it. You know, let me tell you something. Amazon is so lazy. Amazon has already put my stuff in the wrong place. Already. There's another condo with the same. Oh, that's unit letter, but it's a different building number, and they ain't pay attention to that. So the person was nice enough to bring it in, put it in front of my door, but they shouldn't have to do that. Amazon should have did that, you know. So yeah, that's what we got going on. I hope y'all had a good Saturday. Because I worked the entire Saturday. Shout out to my family. Shout out to my family. My family has been really coming through for your girl. My sister, my older sister, came and she let me use her truck to take some stuff to the trash that couldn't fit in my car. And after we did that, I pretty much just went and just started finishing the cleanup process. I made it through. I put them keys up under the door at least the office. Is what it is. I tried. Okay. They was closed today. I thought they were open on Sundays, but they are actually closed on Sundays. So I put them keys up under the door though. Sure did. But yeah, I appreciate my family coming through. Really coming through for me this time. Because I really wanted to get up out that apartment. And now everybody that came in feels those soft spots in the floor. Because they're like, ooh, it's kind of like a dip. Yeah, I know. I've been dipping the entire time I've been in here. Dipping upstairs too. So yeah, it's a little different here. But yep. That's all I got tonight. But I'll be back tomorrow so y'all can see me unpack. I'm going to get up in the... I knew I heard some out here. Wow.
It's not too.
Hi guys, it is a new day. It is Monday, Labor Day. Hope y'all are having a good Labor Day. I have been unpacking. I really didn't want to show me unpacking. To me, that's boring. And you know, it may not be boring, yeah, but I got the kitchen unpacked and a little bit of my room unpacked. Nothing too crazy, but y'all, I got on the scale this morning. I have lost 20 pounds. Oh my God. It's been a long time coming. I've lost 20 pounds. I'm so excited about it. So excited about losing 20 pounds. Yes. She's about to be back. Your girl is about to be back. If I lose 20 more pounds, if I can lose 10 pounds a month like I've been doing. So I started the beginning, we're going to say the beginning of July. I really started like last week of June, but the beginning of July we started. And so we've lost 10 pounds each month. That's July, August. No, we've lost 15 pounds each month. Because we just now getting September. So July, August, it's September 2nd. So yay me. So yeah, we're about to get dressed and everything. We go to my grandmother's house and have a little, you know, this calcium buildup I get on my nerves with this faucet. Anyway, we're about to go to my grandmother's house. My grandmother's house is about 20 minutes away. That's okay. It's better than 35 minutes away. Okay. So we're about to go do that. I don't know what I'm wearing because guess what? Everything's still packed up. So if I have on something that y'all think I look ugly in, I don't care. Because, yeah, got a lot going on. The braids, what Ramonte saying? Ramonte said, you don't need to, you've got your money's worth out of those braids. And I really have. I've got every bit of the $200 something I paid for these braids out. Yeah, honey. Because look at that new growth. My new growth is crazy right now. Crazy new growth. But I'm gonna get my hair done in a couple of weeks, so these will be out soon. Anyway, so we got the kitchen unpacked, part of the bedroom unpacked. The kitchen was the most important part because I have a lot of kitchen stuff. And I thought it wasn't going to be enough room. Y'all, I literally have 2 cabinets where I don't have anything in it. Love that for me. Because it is a smaller kitchen. It's a smaller kitchen than I'm used to. But, you know, and then y'all was going to talk about my ass. The way Nene talked about, can you have a white refrigerator? I have a white refrigerator. Ooh, child, to get on, I know. But this is a temporary space, guys. I will not be here no more than a year. Because y'all know my next step is to move out of state. So, hopefully nothing happens to stop that. But that is where I'm at right now. So, yeah, that's what we got going on. I'm still trying to figure out where to vlog and stuff. So, bear with me. I don't know where to vlog in my space. But yeah, we're about to get in the shower. And I will come back for a fit check. Okay. This is as good as I'm going to get with the, I'm going to have to find my other tripod. But I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I'm about to do my hair and brush my teeth. And then head to my grandmother's house. I was trying in my room, trying on jeans. And I am so close to being able to wear a couple of pair of jeans I haven't been able to wear at all. Like, I bought them purposely a size smaller to see if I can make it. Oh, I'm gonna keep that little hand in. See if I can make it or whatever. And I was like, dang. Yeah, I was nowhere close. Now I'm like really close to being able to pull my jeans up. And these new jeans that I have on, that I've worn recently, are like too big. So, ooh, Lord. You know, the older the hair is, the heavier it is because your hair is grown out. And that's the stage I'm in right now. I'm in the heavy hair stage. And it's not working out for me. I don't like it. But I feel like once the boho braids get old, they do look good. They do look good when they old. So I'm just trying to see. Do I want to wear just a ponytail? Yeah, we're going to do a ponytail. High ponytail. There we go. I don't feel like doing a bun. Like getting into the car, getting out the car with the bun. No. I really need to wash my face. But, y'all, I am tired. And I'm not really tired. I'm more so like, I don't know. My body's trying to get used to this place. It's having a hard time. So I've been sneezing. My allergies acting up and everything. So I want to get not a humidifier. What do you call that thing? I want to get a it's not a humidifier. Air purifier for in this house, because I don't know, it's some in this building or something that's making me sneeze. I might even take me an allergy pill. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take me an allergy pill tonight. And I'll be just fine. I don't have a mirror to show y'all a fit check. But I'm just gonna go in here and y'all gonna have to excuse the boxes so I can show y'all fit chill. I'll be right back. I do. With all the boxes and stuff in the way. Okay, fit check. Sorry y'all for the background, but we are unpacking. Y'all know that. Baggy jeans from Target, Wild Fable, Target, Wild Fable top, Target, A New Day, and that's all we got. I'm just gonna wear a black purse from this black purse I got from TJ Maxx. Yes, TJ Maxx. So look how beautiful it is out here. Let me show y'all. This is the view from my condo. At night, it's even better. And when those leaves fall off that tree, I'll be able to see all the skyscrapers and stuff downtown. You can kind of see them through the trees, and when those trees fall, I can see the entire skyline from Birmingham. Beautiful. All right. So let's roll, friends. Hey, friend.
Every game can be a touchdown. NFL Sunday Ticket is your team